Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how I do my literally everyday makeup. If you want to see 1,000 steps to do my makeup, so let's find out. After I prep my skin with my skincare routine, I always use sunscreens for every day. This is my favorite from Biore, Aqua Rich SPF 50. I have very dry and sensitive skin and I have no problem with this one. And then I'm gonna take my MAC Face and Body Foundation. I'm in shade C5. This foundation is very light coverage, really gives you your skin but better. I like to use my fingers to apply this foundation, then just gently rub it all over my face. Also, it's time savings. Next, I need a blusher, and I'm using Cream Blush Palette in Soft from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I mix these two colors with Real Technique setting brush. Then I'm just buff that over on my cheeks, a little bit on my chin, and up to my crease as well. Move to my important steps. I grab my pencil liner from Essence in brown, then tighten my liner with some helps from the lid. This step is very crucial for me. It will exaggerate my lashes' existence, which was not there. Curl my lashes with the most suitable lash curler for my eye shape from Sukyu. If you have similar eye shape like me, trust me, this one will change your world. It grabs all my tiny lashes and lifts up my lashes very well. I got the opportunity from Love to Slay UK to try this Bad Gal mascara from Benefit, and I end up loving this product. Say hi to my lashes, please! If you follow me on Instagram, you might notice my Japanese brow product. It's a dual pencil stick brow. There is a pen and shadow brow. I just draw a strokes, then use spoolie to brush the edges. Comes to highlight my face, I'm down for this product from Tom Ford, Illuminating Cheek Color. Back, just using my fingers, then tap it onto my top of cheekbone, brow bone, inner corner, little bit at the center on my lids. I don't like shimmery or glittery highlighter, and this one won't give me any of them. Moving on, my everlasting MAC lipstick in taupe. This color just a perfect natural color for my lips. I always keeping back to this one. I'm just gonna finishing with my Charlotte Tilbury Powder Airbrush Flawless Finish in 2 medium shade. Then just dust it all over my face. And don't be worried, you won't get cakey with this powder. So that's it. If you managed to watch until this section, thank you very much for watching. There you go, guys. Here my everyday makeup look. So easy, I think, and that's my 1,000 steps for my everyday makeup. Hope you enjoy and see you in my next video. Bye!